we're going to do something in yoga called a sun salutation. Okay, everyone, where's the sun? Is the sun in the ground or is the sun in the sky? It is, it's in the sky. Now, I'm inside, but when you go outside, you can say hello to the sun. Everyone go, hi, sun. Awesome. So everyone say salutation. That was so good. You're so smart. I knew you could do it. Salutation is a big word that means saying hello. So who can tell me some ways that we can say hello in another language? How do we say hello in Spanish? Anybody know? If you do, yell it out loud. Oh, good. Everyone say hola. Nice. Who knows how to say hello in French? Right. Everyone say bonjour. All right. Who knows how to say hello in Chinese? You do? Oh, yeah. Good job. Everyone say ni hao. What about saying hello in Hebrew? Oh, good job. Everyone say shalom. And then what about saying hello in soprano? Everyone say, how you doing? Okay, I'm just being silly. I'm from Jersey. How you doing? Okay. Everybody big belly breath in. Big belly breath out. We're going to do a sun salutation and we're going to say hello to the sun. Ready? You just do your best. We're going to do 2 of them because I want you to learn it so that you can do it better the next time and you can make a lot of mistakes. Right now, make all the mistakes that you can so that when you get better at it, your mistakes will make you smarter and better. Everyone go, mistakes! Yeah! Okay. Ready? Big belly breath in. Big belly breath out. Big belly breath in. Big belly breath out. Let's start. I shape a circle, then one more. I like the way you said the words. I like the way you said the words. Breathe in. Breathe out. I fold in half and touch the floor. Touch it, touch it, touch. Breathe in. Breathe out. Some horses coming. I lift my head like a horse and neigh. Put your hands on your knees, breathe in, and go neigh. Good job. I kick my feet back. Be careful behind you. And drop right away. So we're going to lay on our belly like this. Good job. Breathe in. Breathe out. I pull myself forward so my belly's still on the ground and I let out a hiss. Breathe in and go sssss. Someone got a flat tire? I'm just teasing. I lift my bottom to the sky like a doggy, like this. So lift your bottom all the way up to the sky. Big belly breath in. What kind of sound does a doggy make? Go. Woo, 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 woo. Who let the dogs out? Woo, 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 woo. Nice job. Okay, let's become dragons. I drop to my knees and I breathe the dragon's fire. So what you do is you stick out your dragon tongue and you bring it in and you go Rah! Good job. Now you stick out your other dragon tongue and you bring it in, breathe in and go Rah! Now that is the dragon. If you want to do a big dragon, then we're going to use our tails to make us bigger. So lift up one foot. See, I'm going to turn to the side. See how my knee is on the ground and my foot is in the air. So lift up your foot, and this is your dragon tail. And move your dragon tail around. And move your dragon tail around the other way. Now, if you want to become a super huge dragon, you bring your dragon tail in, you bring your dragon tongue in, and you go, Rah! Oh, I made a mistake. That's awesome. I just learned. Yay. Thank you, brain. All right, let's do it the other side and see if I get better. So now I'm going to lift up this arm, this dragon tongue. And now I'm going to lift up this leg, this dragon tail. So I'm going to turn this way. And now you see my dragon tail over here. And I bring it in. And I bring in my dragon tongue. And I go, roar. Wow, I'm pretty straight. That's good. I learned when I made a mistake over here, my brain learned, my body learned, and now I got better. Good job making mistakes, everyone. Give yourself a high five. Say, thank you, brain. Awesome. Okay. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to do something called the mouse. We're going to do a little mouse just like this. So what you do is you sit on your feet. Yep, your bottom goes on your feet, and you put your head on the ground or towards the ground. You breathe in, breathe out, and make some squeaky noises. Breathe in. I curl up like a little mouse and go squeak, squeak, squeak. Good job. I stand up tall like a big, strong house. Nice. I reach and reach and reach for my toes. Everyone grab your toes. See, I got you, toes. Stand up slow. Breathe in. And show me a silly pose. That was so good. High five. Hey there, Ron Schwali here. Just wanted to say thank you so much for checking out my video. I hope you got some value from it. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you want to check out more videos, subscribe to my YouTube channel right here. If you have kids and you want to check out my Yogarati YouTube channel, then check it out right over here. And over here, you're going to have some videos of some other content that'll give you some tremendous value. I appreciate you, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day.